Oh hey, didn't see you guys here. So, welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today I'm going to show you how to make Absolut Vodka Martinis. Chilled to perfection, very spirit forward. The fact that it's ice cold makes it super smooth. Great cocktails at your party. Don't forget to click, like, and subscribe down at the bottom. Don't forget to put all your comments into the comments because we read everything. That's how we know what drinks you want in our next episodes. You were expecting to see this come out and do some stirring, but we're not gonna do that. Because as I said, we're gonna make one big batch and we're gonna make it directly in the bottle. So the ratio for this is roughly 9:1, 9 vodka to 1 vermouth. This entire recipe we're gonna do in parts. First up, we need to remove 2 parts of Absolut Vodka directly from the bottle. So we got 1 and we got 2. Next thing to do is super simple. We're gonna take our measure again and we're gonna put 2 parts of dry vermouth directly back into the bottle. Now this cocktail is one of the most intimidating cocktails because although it's only 2 ingredients, it's easy to make but hard to master. And once you're done, just stick this directly into the freezer. Keep all your glassware for the party in the freezer overnight as well, because as I've said before, you don't put hot food on a cold plate, and we don't want to put cold drinks into hot glasses. All we're gonna do is go 1 part directly into the glass. And as you can see, the viscosity of the liquid is just that little bit more thick. That's what happens when you put alcohol into the freezer. Temperature really does affect the flavor. It makes everything a little bit more down, and it actually makes it a lot smoother. First up, classic martini garnishes. We're gonna go for a nice simple olive. Oh, let's go for 3, because that looks pretty. Ooh, these ain't pitted, they got pips in, so make sure you guess no. Stick that directly into your drink. Next classic martini garnish, lemon zest. Lemon zest is my preferred garnish. I'm gonna make sure you get all the oils over there. As you can see, this zest is a little bit big for this glass, so I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit nicer. Get those oils all over and drop it in. And look at how simple that was, guys. No stirring, no ice, no mess. All the Absolut Vodka Martinis you need for your party in 1 bottle. Prep the night before, chilled to perfection, and ooh. That is one good martini. It's just a great drink, and it's a showpiece. When have you ever been to a party and not been impressed by a vodka martinis? If you want to go something a little bit different, stick a pickled onion in there, and then you've got a Gibson martini. But we still have quite a lot left over, and don't even worry about that. Put it in the freezer, it'll stay there almost indefinitely. I'm not gonna give you an exact timestamp. Just be aware, you've always got a few Absolut Vodka Martinis sitting in your freezer, ready to go for whatever occasion you need a martini for.